Well, that's another quick video, hopefully. Package today looks like a padlock, feels like a padlock, hopefully it's a padlock. Will be an Avis. I've ordered quite a few Avises. You'll see me pick the 65-35 there. Oh, laminated version. Oh, the 4140. Right, this is the one you see me do a little while ago. Obviously not the same one. I thought I'd buy another one. The one got me in trouble on that scaffolding that time. So let's do this fella. Hopefully the scaffolding scenario was a one-off. Right, now you're going to look at the key first. And we'll have a look at the key once I pick it. Okay, so just look out for the little dimples on them. So keep your wrench a little bit high. Looks like I need a different wrench, but well, we might get away with that one. It's quite a thin wrench. Let's see how we get on. Should be 5 pins. Full set already, going from the back, pulling that slightly. Right, wrench is a little bit skinny on this one. Yeah, wrench is very good. Ah, deeper wrenches, huh? Okay. So guys, obviously I start a video when I'm prepared to start. That's better. Okay. 3, 4, and 5. So it is 5 pins. Number one's a tall pin. 2 is a spool or a mushroom, because it's an Avis. I think it's primarily mushroom pins that they have. I could pick this one. See if I got the right one. Got the wrong pick as well. Got the fat of the 2 picks. I only use 2 picks. 2 hooks, a thin one and a bigger gauge. One, 2, and 3 are all mushroom pins. 4 is the standard. I'm pulling that quickly out. See, 3 isn't set properly. They're clicking there. I've literally got too much tension. I know I've got too much tension. I'm weighing up the tension out, trying to set that first pin, trying to get literally right on the peak of it. It's there. That's going to upset a couple of back ones. This is very similar to the one I had, but the middle core is really loose, moving up and down.
Doesn't it bother you that Betty Crocker is an invention of 20s era admin? I know you've heard it, but that's no reason to lash out at me. Usually publishers would lie to their readers just to make an easy $1 million.
Yeah, this is another troublesome one. You can just feel it. I don't know if you can see that core bouncing around inside.
And they just cash their checks and get away with it every time. It's the perfect crime, as long as you don't mind betraying the trust of vulnerable young minds.
The perfect crime, eh?
Just looking for that counter rotation on the first 3 pins there.
young kids who read.
Checkable crowd, that's a juicy peach, but what's the clue?
Put together a tweenlit gang right.
Between the game right?
Tweenlit gang right. But this bar needs a zephyr.
The zephyr?
You're the zephyr.
It's good enough to not like Kansas City.
It won't be like Kansas City.
Come on, Skinner, you're the best cute man in the business. You've read their notes, searched their lockers, you know how tweens think.
Oh, no, thanks, gentlemen. I've got a nice, quiet life here. I need to keep it that way.
Ooh, troublesome. Keep that pressure on for one set. Oh, that's already done. Yeah, so try to do it delicate. There's no such thing as delicate tension. Anyway, that's picked. That's one video going mad. Picked open, obviously. Now we can have a little look at the key. Really high first pin. Wonder why it was unsetting all the time. That was the front pin there, the really high one. 2 and 3 fairly low. A 5 and 6 at the back there, really high, like a number 1 cut. 0 cut on 1. 4 and 5 are 1 cuts. You got like an 8 or 7 there. Right, that's the Abus 4140, wasn't it? There's the packet. There it is over there. 4140. It's the number 6 as opposed to the 4 rating on that one. This is the number 6 rating. So I'm going to make some bump keys for these, bump keys for them ones. For anyone that actually wants some, give me a shout. Well, thanks for watching. Another Abus Bites the Dust. I know it's only a 40mm padlock, but I don't know, we're just going through the motions as it were. Well, thanks for watching the videos. If you enjoyed this, you can meet me and the rest of the guys over on uklocksport.co.uk. We've actually got some women that's signed up recently, so it's for everyone basically. Enjoy.